Well, actually, ang ating custody over the 4 NBP inmates involved sa insidente sa NBP lastly, hanggang 7 ngayon.
Second question.
Bakit dinala dito? Yun na naman, police officers, just like us, the prosecutors and the PAO, kasi may mga abogado din sila, we are not exempted from traffic. Sayang yung oras ng pagpunta doon at saka yung to and fro na balik. Very inconvenient sa mga lawyers. Sa amin, okay lang. However, ang pinaka-foremost consideration, yung investigation rooms, meron kami rito na wala doon. And second is, yung maalis mo sila sa kanilang comfort zone, very good enough na may bibigyan nila yung mga tamang sasabihin according sa mga questions from our investigators.
Sir, kahapon sa Benefit meeting, sir, sa House, may lawmaker na question bakit ang tagal ng investigation when the CAG promised na a week after the riot, may results na. What's causing the delay?
First, yung promise. I do not know kung sino nag-promise ng 1 week, but for sure, hindi yata ako yun. We tried our best efforts, but we do not have the deadline. Second, yung bakit napakatagal? Kung ordinaryo criminal case lang, yung fact of the stabbing incident, yung death ni Tony, madali lang yun. Pero there are some questions we need to answer kasi there are so many imaginative minds sa atin from all quarters of the society. So we have to answer some of the blowing questions, although not directly given to us yung mga questions na yan. As investigator, I wanted to answer those because those things will erase any doubts na we just do it na ganun na lang. Tignan nyo, I don't need to haste the investigation kasi these are already convicts. Kaya natin binibilisan ang investigation on criminal cases just to have the capture of the criminals or the suspects immediately. Kasi habang tumatagal, mas mahirap hulihin. Wala na yung factor na yon. They are convicts na nakakommit ng crime, kaya wala nang uhulihin. So, the haste, magkakaroon lang ng waste kung bibilisan ko na hindi siya deliberate and it will not answer so many questions from the media, from all others, from every aspects of quarters of the society.